Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on a bright green hill, lived a curious little astronaut named Alex. Alex dreamed of stars, planets, and the big, glowing moon in the night sky. One sunny morning, Alex put on a shiny silver spacesuit and a big round helmet. "Today is the day!" Alex shouted with joy. "I'm going to the moon!" Alex climbed into a small, red rocket. With a mighty roar and a puff of fluffy white clouds, the rocket blasted off. Whoosh! Up, 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 up it went! Past the blue sky and into the deep, dark space dotted with twinkling stars. Soon, Alex saw the beautiful, silvery moon. With a gentle bump, the rocket landed on the soft, dusty surface. "Wow!" Alex whispered, hopping out. Everything was quiet and amazing. Alex jumped up and down, floating like a balloon. It was so much fun. But when it was time to go home, the rocket wouldn't start. Oh no. The engine just sputtered and coughed. Suddenly, two friendly aliens appeared. One was a tall, green creature with 3 eyes named Zorp, and the other was a small, purple blob with 6 wiggly arms named Gleep. "Need help?" Zorp asked in a bubbly voice. Alex nodded sadly. "Don't worry," chirped Gleep. "We can fix it together." Zorp used his super strength to lift the heavy engine cover. Gleep, with all those wiggly arms, quickly tightened the loose bolts and reconnected the colorful wires. Alex helped by passing them the right tools. They worked as a team, laughing and chatting. In no time, the engine was fixed. "Thank you so much, my friends," Alex said, giving them a big hug. Back in the rocket, Alex waved goodbye. The engine purred perfectly. As the rocket lifted off, Alex looked back at the 2 new friends waving from the moon. Alex learned that even in space, the best adventures are the ones you share with friends. We hope you enjoyed our story. If you liked adventuring with Alex, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun stories.
See you next time.